short follow-up video with the wheels installed just to show you. So the wheels are 5 inches. So remember, whatever the height you're calculating, remember this 2x4s are actually 1 3/4 plus whatever length you need to add to get to your height. Another 1 3/4 plus 5 inches equals total height, right? Plus the top. And if you want to see the torch that I used, I can show that to you actually. See all the wood I've got. It's got that technique, even that you can't see it. Hang on, I'll turn on some lights on. That playhouse I did for the kids. Playhouse I did for the kids also has that technique. You can't see the benches, can you? No. The benches, I did all these benches are here, all the same technique. Oh, the torch. There it is. So it's a propane roof torch. It's used for roofing. This one. Yeah. It's fantastic. What the hell? So Sugi bond, something like that, is what the Japanese technique of torching the wood. I'm going to torch this one today. Yeah, not enough light. It's dark outside. Sorry about that, guys. Yeah, I just thought I'd show some instructional videos. It's beautiful out. It's gorgeous. COVID and everything. Gotta have something to do in life, right? Okay. Thanks for watching. Again, I don't monetize my videos. This is not for likes or dislikes. Just hope that I can, next time I'll actually, maybe I'll film myself actually building the thing. But it does take me 3 hours, so, you know, to stop at the start, probably not fair. Okay, over and out.